56 million cuts. Want to see what Lego bricks look like after razor cuts? Check 100x zoom. My grandma always told me not to play with Grandpa's razor blade. But come on, it always looked like some kind of exotic Lego brick. Pile, house, fan, cuts, just an ordinary weekend. On a long weekend, I got creative and built a Razer Roller, stacking blades on a screw, separated by washers. Not gonna lie, it turned out to be a pretty decent DIY masterpiece. If it's not too much trouble, please like and subscribe. Looks sharp and shiny, let's test it. Part 2. Setup. This smooth and new 4-brick wall will work great for testing my roller. All the pieces are going into the Rock Tumbler chamber. The Razer Roller joins the party. Set the number of days it will spin. In my case, I kept adding days until I reached a total of 14. Set the speed to max, about 70 RPM. That's over 1 million in 2 weeks. It accumulates around 56 million razor slashes. Results. Inside the chamber, everything looks like a mess. Broken parts, shavings, spoilers. Everything goes through sifting and some bubbly washings. Square parts become roundish with a unique texture, kind of resembling a stone surface. It barely holds together and definitely has no satisfying clicking sound when joined together. Compared to before, the outcome looks like it came straight out of a Fallout game. Now I'm thinking a bottle cap roller could be a cool experiment. Comment if I should do it. Probably something like this. Let's move on to the next part, which is the 100x zoom action. Looking closer reveals that the entire surface is scarred, the corners are worn down, and none of the initial shine remains. The studs on top of the bricks now remain as small worn-down hills with no logo. Not a stud, just a tiny bump. Even though the bricks are connected, the gaps between them are wide and messy, like they've forgotten how to fit together. It's a wobbly and wonky. Looking upside down, you can see that the razor slashes didn't reach the inside. It's still smooth and clean, just like it was before. Check out my previous video for more action and details. Thanks for watching.